Hi. So we all use Google Ads to advertise our business and it works fine. But what happens sometime? Google sends us lots of notifications related to our account, our website, and one of such issue is compromised website and your ads gets disapproved and you are not able to run your ads. So in that case, it's become very difficult to get your ads approved because if a website or ad copy has this notification of compromised website, it means Google software may have found some script virus on your website that can be harmful for the user. So Google will not like to send anyone on your website because it will directly affect Google reputation. So in that case you have to fix that issue to start running your ads. And here comes two method to keep using Google Ads and advertising your business. The first and fast method is make a new landing page. If it's possible for you to buy a new domain and make a new landing page, then it will be the fast method and you don't have to change the Google support team to approve and review your ads. In case you don't want to make a new website and you want to continue with the same website because it can be your main business website, so in that case you have to take the help of Google Search Console. Google Search Console mostly used by SEO professional to check your website status, health, traffic and everything. So you have to verify your website in Google Search Console. So sign up for the Google Search Console, add your website there, and Google will provide some types of script or file that you have to add on your server on your website to verify the ownership of your website. Once you verified, then you start getting all types of data in Google Search Console related to your website. You have to wait for some time or few days. And in Google Search Console, there is a security option. In that security menu, you can find all types of issue that your website can have. Go to that section and check for any report. If there is any security issue report about your website, then that's a issue with your website and you have to connect with your developer to fix those reports. You can share those data or reports from Google Search Console to your developer, and once you fix all those issues, then you have to connect with the Google team again and ask them that you have fix all those issues, and you have to they have to check the ads again and approve it. It may take some time. And in other scenario, if Google Search Console do not show you any type of security issue with your website, then you take those data or screenshot of that section and connect with the Google support team, show them or send them in email that Google Search Console has not found any type of issue with your website and your website is safe for visitors, and so you can request them to review and approve your ads. In that case they may approve your ads within 24 hours and your ads will start running. So that's the different type of situation and solution in the case you get your ad status as a compromised website. Thank you.